Good morning! We are right now going to the Ferry Market building and we're going to look around, maybe get some cheese, maybe get some chocolate, and then we're going to make our way to Chinatown. So as you can see, I got some serious sunburn yesterday from our bike ride. My legs are in pretty poor condition, but I'm excited for Chinatown, so we're going to keep on going. So we are checking something off our to-do list and we are riding on a cable car.
We ate lunch at City View Dim Sum restaurant. Our food was absolutely delicious. I highly recommend this restaurant as it is one of the few dim sum restaurants that still serve from carts which circulate, rather than just from a menu.
So we ordered some Peking duck, and along with it comes the bao, which is the Chinese bread. So we're going to open this up and put the duck inside of it. And then we have some spring rolls over here. Okay, now put some sauce.
What?
Put some sauce.
Scallion pancake.
Chicken bun. Okay. Sit down.
You want to?
Put some duck and some of the sprigs of onion.
I know.
Okay, good job.
This neighborhood is rich in culture and history. Unfortunately, part of that history includes discrimination. As more and more Asian immigrants migrated to San Francisco, the more politicians and wealthy elites felt threatened by the power such a unified minority group could hold. Different policies were created to oppress and stop the residents of Chinatown from becoming too wealthy or powerful, such as restrictions on property ownership. Additionally, the Exclusion Act of 1882 restricted Chinese immigrants already living in the United States from becoming citizens and restricted any further immigration from Asian countries. This law was the first time that the United States restricted immigration solely on the basis of race. After the fire of 1906, the establishment of San Francisco recognized the value of Chinatown's location and pushed for the residents to relocate to another neighborhood across town after the fire. But due to the property restrictions originally set up to oppress this population, it was not supportive of the move across town. As such, the community quickly rebuilt their homes at their previous location. Again, after valuable real estate, the city desired to put a hotel on property inside of Chinatown. This would possibly begin a gentrification that could have caused their own neighborhood to become more expensive than the people could afford, having the ability to finally push the Chinese out of this location. The whole community rallied around these decisions, and it was determined that whoever would buy the property and develop a hotel on it would also build a Chinese cultural center for the community within the hotel. As a result, there is now the Hilton San Francisco Hotel with a cultural center on the 3rd floor. Talk about activism. Additionally, a footbridge from the Cultural Center connects to Portsmouth Square, where many retired residents of Chinatown play Chinese chess and pass time together. The history of Chinatown tells a story of the resiliency, unity, and activism of a community. The tour was excellent and grew my appreciation for this neighborhood beyond just its beautiful streets and delicious food. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys learned a little and gathered some inspiration for your next adventure. Feel free to check out my channel and see some of my other adventures, and consider subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. Thanks!